Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about the Joint Japan World Bank scholarships that had just opened yesterday, and we'll be showing the full process for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this Joint Japan World Bank scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos links in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see all the links are published there. And on Instagram, you can see about section or post description. Link is also given there. And you can directly message our team on Instagram and ask for the link or check our stories. Also on Instagram or YouTube about section, link is given there. Or meanwhile, you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmere.com. Once you are on our website, you can check out this scholarship. You can study in USA, UK, Europe, Asia and Australia. And this scholarship is for masters, and this is offered by the Japan and World Bank, and this is also known as WBGSP scholarship, and it's a fully funded for 52 participating masters program across the different countries and different participating universities. So application window, first window starts from January 15 to February 2027. So we are the first on the YouTube to bring you 2026 scholarship application process. So yesterday it had opened and today we're making the video. And second window is 30th of March to May 29, 2026. Then you can see the financial benefits of this: tuition and medical coverage, monthly allowances, travel support. Eligibility requirements: you must be a member of developing country and you must be in good health. Then you should hold a bachelor's degree or equivalent and at least 3 years and have a work experience. Then the application you should simply apply online through the process we'll show you and submit documents, and once you have your application for the admissions, there will be options to submit the scholarship application as well. Then upload documents and that's it. So in order to start application, click on this link here, and once you click on that, you can see World Bank scholarships program, Joint Japan World Bank graduate scholarship program for the developing countries. You can see list of developing countries here, and around 44 participating masters programs are there. Application window 1, application window 2. Every detail is given here: who is eligible, how to apply, selection process, and scholarship benefits are also listed here. So in order to start application, you can click on this window 1 here. If you wish to go for the first window, click on this, and in the developing countries list, you can see list of countries which are developing, and these are eligible for scholarships for the World Bank Joint Japan scholarship. So you can see now when you click on window 1, you can see this type of application session will be there, and windows are open from 15th of Jan to February 2026 under this session, and you can see the universities participating programs listed there. So you can apply to any of these. For example, I will go with the Netherlands, this WBG University Amsterdam. So for example, I'll go with this MS in Public Health and Health Equity. So you have to click on the same program link and open that. So now you can see the program link is there. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see application. Click on this and you can see all the contents of the application. Every detail is there given there. Now you can see apply now. Click on this apply now button here. Now once you click on apply now button, it will directly take you to the registration page. So you have to select your gender, last name, first name, your email address, password, enter this text and select any of the periods here. For example, I will go with the ADHS specialization, so I'll choose that. You can choose any others. You wish to subscribe for newsletter, yes and no. Give consent and then click on register. So I'll show you the Gmail, the type of confirmation they sent when you sign up for the first time. You can see, so you have to register and activate your account like this. I already have created my account, so I'll be simply going back and log in. Simply I'll log in here. just with my details. So when you select the application, it will automatically be added to your account. So you can see our application is there. So let's click on this and fill the application. This is the application form. So you have all steps here. You have to complete this. Select a course period. I'll just start with this. Click on save and continue. You can add other courses, but I'll just go with the single. Now personal details. Select the gender, date of birth. Every detail must be as per the passport, which you have to prove as per the proof of address and nationality. And mention the nationality, marital status, city, and select the country. Then residence, city, and country. After that, phone number, and then click on save and continue. This is the personal details. So likewise, you have to complete academic, professional, reference, additional financing, and attachments. Highest degree, you have mentioned that. Institution name, institution location, select the country, years attended from, years attended to, and field of study, degree awarded. You can mention yes and mention the degree name there. Click on save and continue. So now professional details, any education details you have, you can just submit that. Job experiences you have until present, no. Start date, so you can mention the date of the start of the and end date. Type of organization and position. Describe duties and responsibilities, address of the employer, city of the employer, and country of the employer here. Then email, if you have, you can click on add and click on save and continue. After that, your references, enter the family name and given name of the professor, position and professional address, city, and select the country professor is from, and enter his email. What's your relation to professor, organization, and second referee, give name, position, professional address, city, and select the country here. Then enter the email here. Person relation to you and organization. Then click on save and continue. After that, additional details. How is your word processing skills? English, do you have TOEFL and IELTS? How did you heard about this course? Specify where did you heard about this. Are you a master student? So no, we are not. Describe the public health problem you have experienced. Special needs? No. Click on save and continue. After that, there is a financing. So you can see who will pay the cost. So I have applied for a fellowship. So you can mention the fellowship name here. WBGSP, Joint Japan World Bank Graduate Scholarships. So click on save and continue. Now attachments, mention your CV here. One by one you have to attach all the documents here. Transcripts. Then let's attach the transcripts here. Okay, then your diploma. Then the motivation letter. IELTS, TOEFL you have, you can submit them. Other translations, if you need your documents need now, you are ready to submit. Click on send my application. You can see attachments here. And click on agree. Click on submit. You can see complete, application sent. Go to my applications. Your applications will be listed here. Click on this and you should receive a confirmation email as well. Let me show you. You can see we have hereby confirmed that we have received your application, and dates, everything is mentioned here. There is no application fee in this. You can print this application for file. As of now, it's only read only. You cannot edit details, so read applications carefully before you submit. Any other scholarships that are right now open, you can see they'll be listed here. If you click on my all campaigns, they'll be listed here, so you can apply to any of the programs here. So I hope you have enjoyed the session. You have confusions anywhere, and regarding that, you can ask us in the comment section below. We'll guide you on that. Hope you enjoyed the session, and that's it for today under this World Bank scholarship. So now you'll be asking question, if I have applied here, this is the application for admissions only, so how do I get scholarship? Here you can see link for the scholarship application form will be only communicated to candidates admitted unconditionally except for finance. So you don't have to wait for the scholarship separately. They'll be sending you the link once you are accepted. All those accepted will be receiving a link to fill the application form. That's the simple process. You don't have to fill any separate application form as of now. Just wait for the results. That's it. Yeah, that's it for today. Please do subscribe, visit our website fullscholarships.net, and like this video, share this video with your family and friends. If you encourage us, we'll be bringing more scholarships to your screen. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.